Welcome to Ppa Car Audio, your premier destination in Melbourne for all your commercial vehicle accessory needs. Whether you're looking for reverse cameras, car audio, GPS tracking devices, or more, we have you covered. Let us take you through some of our top offerings. First up, we have dash cameras, also known as dashboard cameras or dash cams. These compact devices are essential for capturing crucial evidence in case of accidents or other road incidents. With features like continuous recording, GPS tracking, and parking mode, our dash cameras provide peace of mind and improved driver safety. You can drive with confidence knowing that you have a reliable witness on board. Next, we have the Fatigue Driver Monitor System, a groundbreaking technology designed to detect and mitigate driver fatigue. By monitoring the driver's behavior and alertness levels in real time, this system helps prevent accidents caused by drowsy driving, making our roads safer for everyone. It's like having an extra pair of eyes dedicated to keeping you safe on those long journeys. Looking to enhance safety while maneuvering in reverse? Our reversing cameras for trucks eliminate blind spots and provide a clear view of the rear, reducing the risk of accidents. With additional features like distance guides and audible alerts, these cameras are a must-have for any truck driver. You can confidently navigate tight spaces and parking lots, knowing that obstacles won't catch you by surprise. Recording systems for trucks offers valuable evidence in case of accidents, promote safer driving behavior, and aid in fleet management. These systems ensure accountability, help prevent theft, and optimize overall performance in the trucking industry. With our recording systems, you can protect your drivers, your assets, and your reputation. Lastly, our radar parking system for trucks assists drivers in parking safely and accurately. With advanced radar sensors, this system detects objects and provides real-time feedback, allowing drivers to navigate tight spaces with precision, saving time and reducing stress. Say goodbye to parking mishaps and hello to hassle-free maneuvers. At Ppa Car Audio, we provide specialized installation services for all our products. Whether it's for cars, buses, caravans, trucks, or fleet vehicles, our expert team can cater to your specific needs. You can visit our store in Melbourne or take advantage of our convenient on-site service. Ppa Car Audio, your trusted partner for all your vehicle accessory needs. Visit ppacaraudio.com.au today or contact us to experience the best in-car audio, safety, and convenience solutions.